final question that we would go to would be question 5, a partial solution question, which is a question that's asking for a list of people in place, but here only the first 2 places, first and second. Now we put these questions off so that we can develop an understanding of the game and potentially use our previous work to answer them, and this question is actually answerable from our previous work. They're looking for 2 things that could go first and second, and if we look back at the sketch for question 7, we can see answer choice E, W and S. It could be W first, and then if you look over at the little tree, there's nothing in front of that S, so it could be WS. Now, of course, that might be a little hard to see. So another way to do this question is to look at the answer choices and treat this like a solution question. In other words, apply the rules one at a time, looking for things that violate them. And sometimes it's easier to do that if you just write out the answer choices into your notes. So if I wrote something like that, with each of the answer choices listed in spaces out to the side for things that could follow them, we can apply the rules. The first rule said that S has to be in front of V, which that would allow us to eliminate answer choice A because in that one there's no S in front of that V. The second rule says that T has to be in front of R and S or after both of them. That would allow us to eliminate answer choice C because that S is in front of the T, so the R would be after. And then if we look at the final rule, W has to be on either side of R and T. That would allow us to eliminate answer choice B because that W would be in between an R and a T. And also answer choice D because that W would be in between an R and a T, which would leave us back where we knew we were a second ago, that W and S could be acceptable. And with that, we have done the game.